Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Marita P. Caligaran, 23 years old. I'm a single. I'm a high school graduate. About my working experience, I worked as a babysitter in UAE.
Hi, Miss Marita. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I must be honest, kind, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Why do you want to go back in abroad again?
So that I help my family in their financial needs.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way and how to take care of children?
By giving them a proper foods and the vitamins, take them a bath, keep them safety always, and love them as my own sister.
What if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I will apologize to my employer and I promise I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Please, sir, madam, do hire me because I really need this job and I promise I'll be good and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Marita, and good luck.
Thank you, sir, madam, and God bless.